Buenos dias!
Buenos dias! We are in the most expensive city in Guatemala, Antigua, and today we are going to show you how much we spend as typical tourists in this town, and that's getting coffee, getting lunch, dinner, and maybe doing some touristic attractions. So we are starting our day with coffee because we are in Guatemala and it would be a sin not to have coffee, and each coffee was 26 quetzales.
Remember, this is a nice, beautiful coffee shop with a garden. It's not on the street, it's not random coffee, it's good quality coffee in a good quality, beautiful aesthetic place.
When it comes to prices, this is like middle. You can get around 30, 35 if you go to high-end places. This is in the middle, I would say. Really good for working online.
Yes, they have a really good Wi-Fi here and it's so fresh. Although it's like really sunny, you had a nice breeze. So it's a nice place to come. This is the happiness of a traveler, to find a good laundry place. I don't know if it's good, this is my first time here, but I hope it is good and cheap.
Yeah. So after coffee, we're gonna go for lunch, but we're gonna do our laundry. I've got blood or something on my shirt and she has 2 kilos or more of a laundry. So let's see how much it costs. So it's the same day service. My shirt that has like blood stain because I was bleeding from my finger yesterday will be 25 quetzales. And how much is yours?
My clothes, I think it's like, I don't know, 2 kilos. It costs 80 quetzales. So super affordable, and they're so lovely. We're just hugging here and singing.
So kind of affordable. Not as much as Southeast Asia, where 1 kilo would be, I think, I don't know, 1 kilo 40 baht in Thailand.
I don't know. Philippines was quite expensive for laundry.
Yeah,
and India, until we find a good cheap place in Goa.
We're going for lunch because everyone recommended the most typical Guatemalan food to be had here in Antigua is at this place.
The name of the restaurant is La Cuevita del Ircuso.
Caldo de gallina, subanic pollo res y cerdo con poco, pepián de pollo y ahí revolcado.
I want. So, how much was this dish? You can mainly need 115 quetzales. You get tamales and then 2 side dishes. I got potatoes and macaroni pasta. And I've got, come here, I'll show you, this pork with beans stew.
Delicious.
Oh my god!
And we got mango salads over here as well.
Which was extra 25 quetzales because we wanted something fresh. It's really hot outside. And you always get like free tortillas. So there's lots of them. I think this is like a Guatemalan thing, but there's pickles.
Pickled, spicy pickles like we had yesterday.
With like jalapeno. Amazing. Nice. And I'll show yours.
And I've got refried beans because I'm obsessed with beans, and also these bean salads, really typical Guatemalan, and some kind of stew.
Try.
Oh my god, no. It tastes so delicious, a little bit spicy, but not overpowering.
Wow.
Amazing flavors, and I cannot wait to eat.
Yes. Beautiful setting, so it's worth 115 quetzales. This is one of the most expensive places that we've been to so far, but it's worth it. And just a little break, please hit the subscribe button because it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us enormously because then we can just carry on making an amazing content wherever we go.
Yes, and I'm gonna say, if you don't do it, you're gonna hit a little pinky today and it's gonna hurt a lot. So better to just subscribe.
Ding ding.
Second coffee.
Yes, second coffee of the day because she is lethargic now. Sorry, and
Yeah.
I need number 2.
And I'm too honest, and I'm literally addicted to coffee. And the coffee shops are too beautiful here to just have 1 coffee a day. I'm sorry.
We're in this cafe garden and it's so affordable for the environment that we are in. Massive gardens, trees absolutely everywhere.
This is literally up tier, top 1. I don't know how to describe this. It's the most beautiful coffee shop I've seen in years of my life.
And there are so many beautiful coffee shops here, but the prices are very affordable. Look at this, 18 quetzales for espresso, Americanos 20 quetzales, so super affordable. So the coffee arrived. I've got ice Americano, 22 quetzales.
And I've got iced caramel latte for 34 quetzales.
And she got surprise, which is tres leches.
Oh!
How much was tres leches?
Oh my god, tres leches was 55 and it is the best coffee I've had in a very long time. Try this. So delicious.
Oh, it's like Vietnamese, isn't it? Yeah, really nice.
Well done, Guatemala.
We went inside the Church de la Merced. Free, 0 quetzales.
We like free and the church is really, really beautiful. The plants.
So we are inside Ruinas de la Merced. We pay 35 quetzales each because we are tourists, so we're gonna do this one touristic attraction today. We also went a few days ago to, where was it?
Las ruinas del... Oh, I'm speaking Spanish. The ruins of the Santa Catalina convent.
And that was 40 quetzales and it was really beautiful. It was more like gardens and you could go there and read a book.
It was incredible. Everywhere you look, the view was amazing from the mountains, from the volcanoes. And inside the garden had so many beautiful flowers, really like vivid and fresh.
And we're just gonna explore here. We finished water because we were so thirsty, but this was 10 quetzales from outside La Merced place.
This is expensive water. If you go to a tienda, it's way cheaper and bigger.
I think for 10 quetzales you get 1 liter.
Hi, we are still being tourists and now we are in Convento Capuchinas. We paid 40 quetzales to get inside and there is a massive garden and also you can see the ruins from the old convent.
Yes.
Behind us.
Yes, and once again fountain and just lots of ruins. This one has more gardens. I think that's why we came here, so we're just gonna go and explore. But good, 40 quetzales. So we are at Tacuba and this is our dinner. This is where we are ending our touristy day in Antigua. And how much was yours? So you have falafel with pita bread and salad.
And this costs 57 and look at this, it's massive portion. Smells delicious.
And I've got a kofta, which is like lentil patties as well, similar to falafel but lentils instead of chickpeas. And it comes with hummus. We've got a massive bowl of garlic mayonnaise. They asked us if we wanted a lot, we said yes.
Yes, please.
And you also got tamarind juice.
I have tamarind juice, super fresh, really delicious. Highly recommend trying.
How much?
This was 15 quetzales. Let's just try.
I want to be spicy. No, I don't want spicy yet. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Super good. I love it. And good that we have vegetarian meal because we had quite enough meat heavy day, like pork, beef. I'm not used to eating red meat.
No.
So this is good.
This is delicious. I'm gonna put all the sauces I can. I'm gonna eat a lot. Okay, so this is the end of our day and this is how much we spent all day with food, tours and everything we did, as you've seen. So cheap or not?
I think kind of affordable. We went a bit overboard today because obviously we wanted to try the most famous restaurant and then we had not really Guatemalan food, but the last food our dinner was actually really affordable. So
Yes, and the portion was massive here in Guatemala and I'm so full.
And remember, this is the most expensive city in all of Guatemala, so I cannot wait to see what other places are like. Anyway, thank you for watching.
Remember to subscribe if you didn't yet. Subscribe.
Now.
Bye. Besitos.
Bye. Te quiero.